Bah Michael Syiem nongialam ka Maitshaphrang Movement ryngkat bat ki para dkhot kilawan ban mynsiem bat kyrshan ki Samla Pule ki badang yai bteng ya ka jingiakhih lyngba ka jingshah thngan ulaong kini ki Samla kimde ki Lehnoh ni ki runar ki jingdawa jong ki kilong ki shongnongrim ula kyntu ka sorkar India ban tuklar mardor ban pynurlong ya ki jingdawa jong kini ki Samla Pule.
Appeal in central government, this is a central university, but these who are doing the hunger strike, they are students. They are not terrorists. They are not militants. They are more concerned about the academic future of the students. So the demands are genuine. So we appeal to the central government, to the authorities concerned, take immediate steps to give the relief. We don't want that the Lehnoh, which have been part of since the inception, to slide down, and see the students suffer for no fault of theirs. So from the Maitshaphrang, we appeal to the central government to intervene immediately so that students also can follow the hunger strike and the academic pursuits also can continue.